Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove your Toyota CHR front bumper. First, ensure your vehicle is safely parked on a level surface with the parking brake engaged. You will need a socket set, Phillips and flathead screwdrivers, and plastic trim removal tools. It is also a good idea to have some spare plastic clips, as these can sometimes break during the process. Being prepared makes the job much smoother. Next, let's tackle the upper and side fasteners. Begin by opening the hood and removing any plastic caps or screws holding the top of the bumper in place. Then, turn your front wheels to gain better access to the wheel wells. Here, you will find several screws and clips that need to be removed. Carefully pull back the fender liner a bit to expose any additional hidden fasteners that secure the bumper to the vehicle's body. Now, we move to the lower section and electrical connections. Get underneath the vehicle to find and remove all remaining screws and clips along the bottom edge of the bumper. If your Toyota CHR has fog lights, you will need to carefully disconnect their wiring harnesses. Also, take a moment to check for any other sensors or components, such as parking sensors, that might be attached to the bumper and require disconnection. Finally, with all fasteners removed and electrical connections disconnected, you can gently pull the bumper away from the vehicle. It is highly recommended to have a second person assist you with this step to avoid dropping or damaging the bumper or paintwork. To reinstall, simply reverse these steps, making sure all clips, screws, and electrical connections are properly secured for a safe and snug fit. Take your time, and you will do great.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.